In my personal opinion, there's still lots of distress out there, but it's sort of nicely covered up through the low interest rates and the ability to do standstills and extensions a lot easier when the market is moving your direction. We saw quite large non-performing loan transactions in the beginning of the year, which gave hope to more banks cleaning up the problematic asset classes. And even if these deals went okay, or some better, some worse, I'm not seeing the trend that that other banks are following at the moment to a large degree. But I'm confident that a lot of banks are still sitting on a lot of assets that should be sold to opportunistic funds. But as long as the market is so positively moving in their direction, there's no rush to do it. Same for the bad banks in Germany that are already existing. They're very slow in dissolving their distress, but they're still, triple-digit billions in FMS and triple-digit billions in EAA. And HSH is forming a new sort of bad bank. NordLB, I don't know, but they will be doing something as well because it's more related to shipping than to real estate. But I think in general, and that's sort of my thesis for, it's going to be 10 years soon, is that after Lehman, this whole financial global system was sort of put on hold and frozen to a zero interest environment in all parts of the world that has never been there before. And the US worked out very quickly, the UK worked out very quickly, but a lot of, let's say, continental European countries have been kicking the can down the road for the last 8 years. And some are, like Commerzbank has been a lot more active in divesting certain non-core parts of the financial institution, but other banks weren't quite acting that way. So I think there's, for the distressed investor side, there's still stuff to come in the coming years, but nobody's in a rush.